Hello friends, our today's topic is GSM channels. Which are the types of GSM channels? There are different types of channels used in GSM. Which kind of channels are used? We will discuss in details. Now today we are going to discuss on the logical channels. Okay, logical channels in GSM. Actually, the channels, everyone knows what is meant by channels. Now the function of channels are always used to carry the information, or it is used to transfer the information from one point to the another point. Okay, for that purpose we require the channels may be a different types of channel. Okay, now here in GSM, the channels is divided into two types. The very first is traffic channel, and the second one is signaling channel. Okay, now the traffic channel is again divided into two types: full rate traffic channel and half rate traffic channel. Okay, now you can see here in the diagram. Okay, and now in the signaling there are three main types of channels. Some are the broadcast channels, now common control channels, and dedicated control channels. These three comes under the signaling. Okay, under the broadcast there is a FCCH. FCCH means what? Frequency correction control channels. Okay, sorry, frequency correction channels. Okay, the second one is what? SCH, synchronization channel. The third one is what? BCCH, broadcast channel. And under the common control channels, there is a PCH. You can see here the PCH. P stands for the pegging channels. AGCH means access granted channels. The third one is RACH, random access channels. Okay, now under the dedicated control channels, again there is a three types of channels. SDCCH, okay, means what? Stand alone dedicated control channel. SACCH, again slow associated control channels. FACCH, fast associated control channels. Okay, this is a simple classification of the channels. Okay, this is very important. And the channels, I already says that the channels are used to for carry the information, or for, okay, from one point to the another point. Okay, means what? If you are transmitting the information from mobile station to the tower BTS, it also requires the channels. And suppose when the information is transmitted from the BTS to towards the mobile station, it also requires the channels. Okay, now we will see in the next PPT. Okay, in details all this about the classification of channels. Now I am going to explain one by one. Okay, what is that? Traffic channels. Okay, what is meant by traffic channels? Under the traffic channels, there are two types actually: full rate and half rate. The very you must know the what is meant by traffic channels. Actually, the traffic channels are used to carry the bit of voice. Okay, if you want to transfer your voice, okay, encoded voice, okay, then for that purpose you require traffic channels, and for carry the user data. Okay, under the traffic channels there are two types. Here you can say, okay, TCH, okay, TCH, TCH, F means what? FS, what? Full. TCH, H means what? Half. Okay, traffic channel half speech. You can say traffic channel full speech, traffic channel half speech, right? Now what happen in traffic channel full speech? Okay, traffic channel now here you can see that 22.8 kilobytes per second. Okay, now what happen in TCH full speech? It is also called as a full rate traffic channel. It is also called as a full rate traffic channel. It is used to carry a full rate speech. Okay, now TCH FS is used to carry a data rate 22.8 kilobytes per second. Okay, and what happen in TCH half speech? In TCH half speech is also called as half rate traffic channels. Is also called as half rate traffic channel. It is used to carry it is it is used to carry the half rate speech, right? The main function of TCH HS is single GSM channel should support two calls. It should support the two calls, hence automatically the capacity of the system is double, right? And the data rate to is in TCH is 11.4 kilobytes per second, right? All these about the TCH half speech. Okay, here you can see the traffic channel for full rate and traffic channel for half rate. I already explained this. Okay, now speech channels and data channels. The data channels also the data channel supports a variety of data rates. Okay, now you can see here 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6 kilobyte per second on both half and full rate traffic channels. The 9.6 kilobytes data rate is only for the full rate applications. Okay, now all this about the traffic channels. Now the next is what? Signaling channels or control channels. Okay, what is that? Signaling channels and control channels. All these are the comes under the signaling or control channels, right? Now actually the control what is that control channels? It carries the signaling information between the mobile station and the BTS. Okay, means the channels which are used between these two. The channels which are used between these two. Okay, when you now here is what under the control channels, three types of control channels I already explained. Okay, in the classification: broadcast control channels, common control channels, and dedicated control channels. Okay, these are the channels. Suppose these are channels. This is your mobile phone, means what? Mobile station. This is your BTS, means tower symbol. Okay, sometimes, and what is that control channels? Control channels is used to set up the call. It is used to set up the calls, and it is used to maintain the calls and synchronization. For all that purpose, we require the channels here, right? When your information, okay, now you can see here, I am just writing a downlink, unidirectional downlink, uplink. These channels is used for both uplink and downlink. Means what? Some channels are used to transmit information in upwards. Some channels are used to transmit information from tower towards your mobile station. Now downlink means what? From BTS, from downlink means what? From BTS to mobile station. Okay. Here BCCH means what? BCCH broadcast control channels. Okay. These channels is used to transmit the information in downlink. Okay, towards the mobile station, from BTS to towards the mobile station. FCCH means what? Frequency correction channels. It is also a downlink. Okay, means what? This channels is used to carry the information from BTS to towards the MS, downlink. Again, this one is what? SCH is also downlink. SCH synchronization channel. Okay, it is also downlink for downlink purpose. Downward. PCH means what? Paging channels. It is also for downlink. Okay, it is also the channel is also for the downlink. AGCH, access granted channels. Okay, again downlink. It is also used for to transmit information from BTS to towards the mobile station. Now RACH, random access control channels, random access channels. It is used for uplink. Uplink means what? This channels is used when the mobile station wants to transmit information towards the BTS. At that time, we require these channels RACH. Right? Now SDCH. SDCH means stand-alone control channels. It is used in both uplink and downlink purpose. Okay, it is used both uplink and downlink purpose. Okay, FSCCH, uplink and downlink purpose. SSCH, both uplink and downlink purpose. Okay, now here is the simple. I am just drawing here which one is downlink channels, which one and some are the and which one are the uplink channels. Okay, now you can easily find out from here. Now the broadcast channels, the first three. Okay, the first three, BCCH, FCCH and SCH, downlink, all it comes broadcast channels. Okay, control channels. Now the next is what? Common control channels. These three. Okay, these three comes under the common control channels. Okay, here it comes under the common control channels. Now The next three, SDCH, SACCH and FACCH, it comes under the dedicated control channels. Okay. Now I already explained you the broadcast channels. Okay, the broadcast control channels are transmitted in downlink direction only, that is only transmitted by the BTS. Now the broadcast channels are used to broadcast the synchronization and general network information to all the mobile stations within a cell. Okay, it just broadcasting synchronization and general network information to all mobile station within a cell. Okay, actually it has three types: FCCH, SCH and BCCH. I already explained all this. Now FCCH, what is the FCCH? FCCH is transmitted on the downlink. Okay, and it is used for the frequency correction and synchronization of a mobile station. The repeated transmission of a frequency burst is called as FCCH. Okay, the burst is repeated after every 10 seconds. Now the second one is SCH, synchronization channels. It is also a downlink. Okay, it is also used during the downlink process. Now the repeated broadcast of synchronization burst is called as SCH after the every 10 frames. It allows the mobile station to synchronize the time wise with the BTS. The broadcast control channels is used to broadcast the control information to every mobile station within a cell. Okay, the information includes the details of the control channels, configuration used at the BTS, a list of the BCCH carrier frequencies used at the neighbor BTS, and a number of parameters that are used by the mobile station when accessing the BTS. Okay, now the BCCH is transmitted on the downlink. Okay, all this comes under the BCCH. Now the common control channels. Okay, the common control channels are used by the mobile station during the paging and access procedures. Okay, under the common control channels there are three types. I already explained. Okay, here I am just writing for the very first is RACH, random access control channels, paging channels. AGCH, okay, access grant control channels and cell broadcasting channels. Now what is that RACH? Okay, out of this one is used for the uplink. Okay, when the information is transmitted from mobile station towards the BTS, at that times these channels are activated. Okay, now RACH, random access channels, it is a reverse link channel. RACH is used to organize a call by mobile, or you can say that this occurs when the mobile initiated a call or respond to a page. At that time this channels is occurs. Now the second one is what? PCH, paging channels. Actually it is used to it informs or alert to the mobile station about the incoming call. Okay, now the next one is what? AGCH. What is that AGCH? Okay, it is generally used for the downlink purpose. Now in this, the base station provides a forward link communication to the mobile station, and it provides a special dedicated control channels to carry the data. Okay, it comes under the AGCH. The next is dedicated control channels. Okay, what is the function of that channel? These channels are responsible for roaming and handover processes. Okay, now under these channels there are three different types: SDCCH, stand-alone dedicated control channels, and slow associated control channels and fast associated control channels. This two comes under the associated control channels. Okay, now the very first is what? SDCCH, stand-alone dedicated control channels. Actually these channels is used to set up the calls. Okay, and these channels are also used for the service request. It is also used for the subscriber identification. It is also used for the location updating. And sometimes it is also used for the messages, SMSs. Okay, now the next one is what? Slow or fast. Okay, slow associated control channels. These channels are used to control the signals which is associated with the traffic channels, or okay, and it is used to link, it is used for link measurement and signaling during the call, and also it is used for transmission of signaling data, radio signal or radio signal supervision measurement, and transmitted power control. It is used for all that purpose. Now the last one is what? Fast associated control channels. Actually these channels is used during for both uplink and downlink process. These channels are generally used for the handoff and handover process. It is used to carry out the authentication. All it comes under the FACCH.